If you are buying or selling a home, you may have heard the term escrow and wondered, what exactly is that? So, escrow is a legal arrangement in which a third party temporarily holds a sum of money until a mutually agreed upon condition has been met. What does that mean? Well, in the case of a home seller selling their home to a home buyer, there are terms in the purchase agreement, and during the course of that transaction, which is known as an escrow, the third party escrow company will take all of those terms in the purchase agreement and put them into what's called escrow instructions, and that tells them what to do during the course of the transaction. So the buyer agrees, for example, to place funds into that third party escrow company. They agree to obtain a loan. The seller may agree to do some other things. And at the end of that process, once all of those conditions have been met, then the escrow company works with the title company to transfer the deed to the property from one party to the other party. And that is an escrow. So it is a third party company, and it is the process during which that happens. Now, to complicate things a little bit more, when you're buying a property, you may also, or if you're refinancing a property that you own, you may also hear references to an escrow impound account. When you have a mortgage, you pay your principal and your interest to your mortgage company. You may also have an option, or depending on the type of loan, you may have a requirement to pay your insurance and your taxes into an escrow account. So rather than paying those separately, you may make one monthly payment that would include those, and then those funds are held until it builds up to the point where the insurance payment is paid by your mortgage company's escrow impound company, and the taxes are paid. So escrow can have several different meanings. If you have any additional questions about escrow, how it works, what to expect, or buying or selling a home, let us know. We're happy to help. I'm Shannon with the Shannon Jones Team at Keller Williams Realty. Thanks for watching.